Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset market research with SurveyMonkey, beginner guide step by step clearly. To reset your market research using SurveyMonkey, start by logging into your SurveyMonkey account. Once logged in, navigate to the My Surveys section. Locate the survey you wish to reset and click on its title. This will take you to the survey overview page. Next, look for the Analyze Results tab on the top menu. Click on this tab to access your survey responses. Review the data collected to determine which aspects need resetting. To reset the survey completely, go back to the survey overview page. Here, find the More option, usually represented by 3 dots. Click on More and select Delete from the drop-down menu. Confirm the deletion to remove all existing responses. Once deleted, return to the survey creation page. Click on Create Survey to initiate a new survey for market research. Choose a template or start from scratch, depending on your needs. Design your survey questions based on updated research objectives. Ensure the questions are clear and concise for better responses. Preview your survey before finalizing it. Once satisfied, click on Send to distribute the survey to your desired audience. Monitor the incoming responses carefully. After collecting sufficient data, review your results again. This will allow you to gather insights based on the new survey. Ultimately, this process helps you stay updated with market trends. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.